Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the New Year's dress on Dress to Impress. So you are going to select this icon right here, and then you are going to go to this section. Go to the limited sparkling resolution set, which is only available until the 3rd of January, if I'm not mistaken, or the 1st or the 2nd. Go to view and just select purchase, and your outfit will be here. So it's going to be under this section. So you'll get this, some sleeves, as well as the necklace. This is a set. There's also a lot of toggles for it. And that is how you can get the New Year's set on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And tell me in the comment section down below what your 2025 New Year resolution is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!